Okay guys, I'm gonna squeeze fresh lemons in a bowl of water. To clean my microwave. Ooh, that's so hard on my hands, honey. My kids like to put spaghetti and don't want to use the lid. We have a cover. I don't know why they don't use it. Anyway, so this is gonna make it easy breezy. Look at that. They refuse to cover their food when they're having spaghetti. So, I'm gonna put it on 3 minutes and let it spin around and cook and clean it. It's gonna be so easy. Work smarter, not harder. All right, let's see if it works. There we go. Look at that. There we go. Yay. Let's see. Good job, Mama. Yay. Alrighty. Good job. Yay, look at that. Yep. Alright, let's put everything back. Look at that. Nice and clean. There we go. Maybe they'll use it. My tips for keeping a clean microwave. Yay. Hope you enjoyed it. Use my tips. Get good, girl. Get better, girl. Do that.